In this video, we will cover how to determine if area logging is on or off on the Ag Leader PF3000. With the monitor turned on, flip the switch in the bottom right-hand corner towards the top of the monitor. This will turn area logging on. Flip the switch in the opposite direction to turn area logging off. Another way to determine if area logging is on or off is to look at the screen. In the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, with area logging turned off, it will say area off. If area logging is on, the message will read area on. We have now covered how to determine if area logging is on or off on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.